Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a staff member can log into Konnect and sign children in and out. To start with, they're going to click on the Open Staff Login from the dashboard. Then they're going to find their username, click on their username and enter in their staff PIN number. A staff member can log out by clicking on the little arrow on the left-hand side at the bottom. They can also update their PIN by clicking on their name and click Update PIN. They will be asked to enter their current PIN and then enter in a new PIN. Moving back to the dashboard, and you will notice that up the top left you will see a drop-down box and it says All Rooms. This is where the staff user can switch between individual rooms, and when they're on that individual room, it all focuses on this particular room. So you'll see the widget up the top. So this indicates the number of children booked in, signed in, and not signed in, signed out, and absent. So this room shows that we don't have any bookings. We switch to this particular room and we do have some children booked in. You will notice that we have the sign in and out on the left-hand side menu. So we can click on that and it lands us into the sign in and out page. To sign in a child, you can click sign in and you will see the timestamp there in the sign in and out. To use the multiple sign in and out, especially for those OSH services for before and after school care, you can simply tick the boxes or you can highlight the boxes from the top and click sign in, which will then multi-sign those children in. You can also mark those children absent in bulk, and to mark a child absent you can click on the three dots in the action column and select mark absent. These widgets up the top are all clickable, so when you click on the sign in it will show the children that are listed currently signed in, not signed in, and view all, etc. So they are all clickable. And then to sign a child out, it's the same process as signing the child in, and you can simply click sign out. We also have the tag filter, so by clicking on the little icon on the right, it will list all of those tags applicable, so you can tick the ones you want to search by, click apply, and it will then only list those children with those specific tags. Jumping back to the main menu, you will also notice that the sign in and out button is also on the right hand side. Again, this widget is for all rooms overview, so again you can click on any of these, click a room, and it will then list those children for that specific room on the particular widget you have selected. For any further information on how staff users can sign children in and out in Konnect, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.